Hi to all. My name is Victoria, and looking back on this semester, one of the biggest things I've learned is that AI in project management is about how you make the results usable for people. I used to think of AI as my technical assistant in the background, but now I see it's really about connecting insight into action. Another growth point for me was around data preparation. Honestly, as I worked through this project, I was reminded of how important clean, consistent data is. So, to sum that up, if data isn't solid, nothing down the line will hold up. The tool that surprised me most was Julius AI. Before this course, I never could have imagined that I could build a strong working predictive model in mere minutes, dare I say seconds. Something that once would have taken me weeks and in previous experience it so many weeks to complete on my own. So showing me that these platforms are approachable and powerful, it shifted my thinking. I realized that I don't have to be the one writing code to deliver strong data analytics, and my role as a project manager can now be to focus more on being the connector. So, the idea of the human in the loop really changed my perspective. AI can surface patterns and risk, but it's still people who really bring the context and make the judgment. Really solidifying the importance of evolving to work alongside machine learning rather than being replaced, I think, is certainly a key focus for me moving forward. Because of this project, I'll lean on collaboration tools more. I'll bring visuals and dashboards in much earlier, especially like with my work at the Nurturing Tomorrow Foundation. I have really been underutilizing Monday.com. It was the reason also why I chose the platform for our project, just because I was already had access to this. I honestly had no idea of the capabilities that were right at my fingertips with the dashboard. So, seeing how that data visually helped me follow the story that it told, Monday showed me that the difference between a report that gets shelved and a dashboard that people are actually going to use. So, I feel like currently in our dashboards, we start off strong at the beginning of the project, but they fall off. And I do think that that's due to not utilizing those real time graphics and dash in the dashboard. So, including more real time visuals, I think is going to keep you engaged. Looking ahead, I want to keep building on this in the next 3 to 6 months. I plan to keep experimenting with low code AI tools like Julius AI and continue to using ChatGPT and Gemini for data prep, brainstorming, and refining communication. I also want to apply this work to what I'm doing currently, volunteering at the Nurturing Tomorrow Foundation, for example, using predictive analytics to identify which families will benefit most from certain programs. My goal is to keep developing my knowledge in project management methodologies and strive to be a leader who can bridge people, process, and AI. Overall, this course gave me more than technical exposure. It gave me a boost in confidence that I can work with AI tools in a meaningful way. I've learned how to prompt better outcomes, how to translate insights, and how to see AI as a fundamental part of project management. Thanks for watching.